Are we ready? Oh my God. Ready? Let's go.
Oh my God, let's do it.
1, 2, 3. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
That was too fast.
So fast. I was like, all right, this is the train we're getting on.
There we go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Oh, there we go.
You are watching our upcoming release 10K 3D 360 music video with Flight of Voices music group, including artists from Black Eyed Peas, bass player from the Panic at the Disco, Sam Harmonic, and many more. This video is shot with the Insta360 Titan in stereoscopic 10K in Darklight Studio. Today, we are back to our professional audience and talk about Insta360 Pro 2 and Insta360 Titan in professional 3D 360 production. This video, which you should watch in the Oculus Quest VR headset, focuses on showing you the 3D distance test. We will show you the image quality between the Titan and the Pro 2 in an indoor environment, and you will see Titan in 8K 8-bit, 8K 10-bit, and 10K 8-bit in the latest firmware following this original review. So, if you are looking to rent the Insta360 Titan or the Insta360 Pro 2 and trying to figure out where to place your talents, this will be a great reference video in VR. Let's dive right in.
This is the Titan at 10-bit, 8K, and I'm standing at 2 feet, and he was hiding behind the couch. Okay, this is 4 feet, and this is 6 feet. I'm gonna walk around the room to the other side. We're sitting at 6 feet. I'm gonna walk around the camera. Okay, I am standing at 2 feet. Moving back to 4 feet. Okay, now I'm moving back to 6 feet. This is me standing at 6 feet. And now I'm going to walk to the other side of the room to 6 feet. And now I'm going to walk around the whole camera all the way back to 6 feet. This is the Titan at 8-bit and 10K. And I'm standing at 2 feet. Moving back to 4 feet. Moving back to 6 feet. And walking over here to 6 feet. And walking all around the camera. All the way back to. So this is the Titan at 8-bit and 8K at 2 feet. Back to 4 feet. And moving back to 6 feet. To 6 feet. And back to 6 feet. Okay, so I'm standing at 4 feet with the Titan, and the Bushman light is not on. Please turn on the Bushman. Okay, the Bushman is on, and what temperature is it here?
3,000.
3,000. 10 on the light.
Thank you for watching this test. In the next 2D video, we will analyze this video to find out the best stereoscopic stitching distance for both Titan and Pro 2. We will talk about some practical tips on how to use these professional VR cameras on set with clients and talents. If you need more help or you want to download this sample footage onto your Oculus Quest 2 in full 8K 360, check out my new course, VR Filmmaking Masterclass, right here. We will teach you everything you need to know to master Titan or Pro 2 with hands-on tutorials, practical behind-the-scenes videos just like this one, and many more resources to help you get into professional level 360 VR cinematography. If you want to wow your clients, this course will be your secret weapons to be ahead of the game in VR filmmaking. I hope I can see you in this course or in the next YouTube tutorial. Ciao!